5월 14일 7시 45분.
Unit 10. Numbers from 1 to 10.
Reading focus.
What are the numbers from 1 to 10?
What are the numbers from 1 to 10? Which number comes after 1?
What numbers are less than 5?
What numbers are less than 5?
Before you read, keywords.
Numbers.
1,
Numbers 1,
3,
2,
4,
3,
5,
4,
6,
5,
7,
6, 7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Power verbs.
Count.
Let's count the candles.
Count. Let's
Say
count the
aloud.
candles. Say it
Let's say
aloud.
the numbers aloud.
Let's say the numbers aloud.
Word families.
Come before.
3 comes before.
Come before. 3 comes before 4. Come after.
Comes after
4
3.
comes after 3.
Less than.
Less
1
than.
is less than
1
2.
is less than 2.
More than.
More than.
2 is more than
2
1.
is more than 1. Hand.
You have 2 hands.
You have 2 hands. Fingers.
You have
Finger.
10
You
fingers.
have 10 fingers.
Numbers from 1 to 10. Look at the birthday cake.
Look at the birthday cake. How many candles are on
1,
it?
2, 3,
1, 2, 3,
5,
4, 5,
6,
6, 7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
There are 10 candles.
There are
Jack
10
is
candles.
10 years old.
There are 10 candles. Jack
We
is
use
10 years old.
numbers when we count.
When use numbers
There is
when we
one
count.
dog.
There is
There
one
are
dog.
3
There are
kittens.
3 kittens.
Here are the numbers from 1
Here
to
are the
10.
numbers from 1 to 10.
Let's say each number
Let's say
aloud
each
in
number
order.
aloud in order.
1 comes before 2.
1
Two
comes
comes
before 2.
before
2
three.
comes before 3.
2 comes
2
after
comes
1.
after 1.
3 comes after 2.
3 comes after
Now,
2.
answer the questions.
Now answer the
How many
questions.
noses
How
do
many
you have?
noses do you have?
You have
1. You have 1 nose.
How many eyes do
How
you
many
have?
eyes do you have?
2. You have
2.
2
You have
eyes.
2 eyes.
1 is less than 2.
1 is less than 2. 2 is more than 1.
How many fingers do you have on
How many
your
fingers
left hand?
do you have on your
5.
left hand?
You have
5. You have
fingers
5
on your
fingers
left
on
hand.
your left
How
hand.
many fingers do you have on your right
How
hand?
many fingers?
5.
How many
You have 5
fingers do you
fingers
have
on
on
your
your
right hand.
right hand?
How
5. You
many
have 5
fingers
fingers
do
on
you
your
have
left
on
hand.
both hands?
How many fingers do you
10.
have on both
You
hands?
have
10.
10
You have
fingers
10
on both
fingers on
hands.
both hands.
5
5 is less than 10. 10 is more than 5.
Numbers from 1 to 10. Look at the birthday cake.
Look at the birthday
How
cake.
many candles are on it?
How many candles are on it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There are 10 candles. Jack is 10 years old.
There are 10 candles. Jack is 10 years
We
old.
use numbers when we count.
We use numbers when we count.
There is one dog.
There is
are
one dog.
3 kittens.
There is one dog. There are 3
Here are
kittens.
the numbers from 1 to 10.
Here are the numbers from 1 to 10.
Let's say each number aloud in order.
Let's say each number aloud in order.
1 comes before 2. 2
1 comes before 2. 2 comes before 3.
2 comes after 1.
2 comes
3
after
comes after 2.
2 comes after 1. 3 comes after 2.
Now answer the questions.
Now answer the questions.
How many noses do you have?
How many noses do you have?
1. You have 1 nose.
1. You have 1 nose.
How many eyes
How
do
many
you have?
eyes do you have?
2. You have 2 eyes.
2. You have 2 eyes.
1 is less than 2. 2 is
1
more
is
than
less
1.
than 2. 2 is more than 1.
How many fingers do you have on your left hand?
How many fingers do you have on your
5.
left hand?
You have 5 fingers on your left hand.
5. You have 5 fingers on your left hand.
How many fingers do you have on your right hand?
How many fingers do you have on your right hand?
5. You have 5
5.
fingers on your
You
right
have
hand.
5 fingers on your right hand.
How many fingers do you have on both hands?
How many fingers do you have on your both do you have on both hands?
You have 10
10.
fingers on both hands.
10. You have 10 fingers on both hands.
5 is less than 10. 10 is more than 5.
5 is less than 10. 10 is more than 5.
Unit 11. Lines and shapes.
Reading focus.
What are some lines? What are some
What are
shapes?
some lines?
How can
What
you
are some
make
shapes? How can you make shapes?
Before you read, keywords.
Types of lines.
Types of lines.
Straight,
Straight,
curved,
curved,
wavy,
wavy,
zigzag,
zigzag,
spiral,
spiral,
Shapes.
square,
shapes, square, rectangle,
triangle,
triangle, star,
circle,
circle,
oval,
oval,
diamond,
diamond,
heart.
heart.
Power verbs.
Draw.
Draw, draw a line.
Join.
Join.
You can
You can
join
join
lines
two
together.
lines together.
Be made of.
Be made of.
Shapes
Shapes are made of lines.
Name.
Can you name these shapes?
Can you name these shapes?
Word families.
Thick.
Thick, thin,
Round.
round.
Look alike.
Look alike. They look alike.
Different.
Look different.
They
They look different.
Drawing materials.
Drawing materials. Pencil.
Colored pencil.
Colored pencil.
Crayon.
Crayon.
Marker.
Marker.
Lines and shapes. Mary is drawing a house.
Mari is
Can you
drawing
see
a
the
house.
lines
Can
like
you see
these?
the lines like
We
these?
use lines when we draw pictures.
We use lines when we
Let's say you
draw
want to
pictures.
draw a banana.
Let's say you want
You
to
might
draw a
start with
banana.
curved line like
You
this.
might start with
There
a
are many
covered
types
line
of
like
lines.
this. There are
Curved
many
line,
types of
straight
lines.
line,
Covered line,
wavy line,
straight line,
zigzag
wavy
line,
line, zigzag
spiral
line,
line.
spiral line.
Lines can be thin or thick too.
Lines can
Use a
be
sharp
thin
pencil,
or thick
and
too.
you can make a thin line.
Use a sharp
crayon,
pencil
and
and you can make a
thick
thin
line.
line.
When lines join together,
Use a crayon
they make
and you
shapes.
can make a thick
Can
line.
you name
When
these
lines
shapes?
join together, they
are a
make
circle,
shapes.
a triangle,
Can you name
a square,
these
and
shapes?
a rectangle.
They are a circle, a
circle
triangle,
is
a
round.
square, and a
It is
rectangle.
made of a curved
A
line.
circle is round. It is made
triangle,
of a covered
square,
line.
and
A
a
triangle,
rectangle
a square,
are
and
made
a
of straight
rectangle.
lines.
A
square
rectangle
and a
are
rectangle
made of
look
straight
alike.
lines. A square
circle
and a
and a
rectangle look
triangle
alike. A
look
circle and a
different.
triangle look different.
Here are
Here are four
shapes.
other shapes.
A diamond,
A diamond,
a star,
a
a
heart,
and an oval.
and an oval.
What kinds of lines can you see
What
in
kinds
the
of
pictures?
lines can you see in the
Spiral
pictures? Spiral line, curved line,
Curved line,
curved
zigzag
line,
line.
zigzag line.
Lines and shapes. Mary is drawing a house. Can you
Mary
see the
is drawing
lines
a
like
house.
these?
Can you see the line like
We use
this?
lines when we draw pictures.
We use lines when we draw pictures.
Let's say you want to draw a banana.
Let's say you want to draw a banana.
You might start with a curved line like this.
You might start with a curved
There are
line like
many
this.
types of lines.
There are many types of lines.
Curved line, straight line,
Curved line,
wavy
zigzag line, wavy
zigzag
line,
spiral line.
spiral line.
Lines can be thin or thick too.
Lines can be thin or thick too.
Use a sharp pencil.
Use a sharp pencil
and you can make a thin
and you
line.
can make a thin line.
Use a crayon and you
Use
can
a
make
crayon
a thick
and you
line.
can make a thick line.
When lines join
When
together,
lines join
they
together,
make
they
shapes.
make shapes.
Can you name these shapes?
Can you name these shapes?
They are a circle, a triangle, a square, and a rectangle.
They are a circle, a rectangle, a
A
squirrel,
circle is round.
a triangle,
It is
a
made of a
squirrel, and a
curved
rectangle. A circle is round. It is made of a
A
curved
triangle,
line.
a square, and a
A
rectangle.
triangle,
are
a
made of
squirrel,
straight
and a
lines.
rectangle are made of straight lines.
A square and a
A square
rectangle
and a rectangle
look alike.
look alike.
A circle and a triangle
A circle
look
and a
different.
triangle look different.
Here are four other shapes.
Here are
A
four
diamond,
other
A
shapes.
star,
A diamond, a star, a heart, and an oval.
What kinds of lines can you see in the pictures?
What kinds of lines can you see in the pictures?
Spiral line,
Spiral line,
curved line,
covered line,
curved line,
covered
zigzag
line,
line.
zigzag line.
Unit 12. Let's beat the drum.
Reading focus.
What are some musical instruments?
What are some
Can you
musical
play any
instruments?
musical instruments?
Can you play any
How do
musical
you
instruments?
play those musical instruments?
How do you play those musical instruments?
Before you read, keywords.
Musical instruments.
Piano,
Musical
violin,
instruments.
drum,
Piano,
triangle,
violin, piano,
tambourine,
drum,
xylophone,
triangle, tambourine, xylophone,
castanets.
cymbals, castanet.
Power verbs.
Play.
She can play the piano.
Hit.
Play.
the triangle
She can play the
with the stick.
piano. Hit. Hit the triangle with a stick.
Tap.
You tap the xylophone.
Beat. You beat the drum.
You
Tap.
shake the
You tap
tambourine.
the xylophone.
You bang the
Shake.
cymbal.
You shake the tambourine. Bang. You bang
click
the cymbals.
castanets.
Click. You click the castanet.
Let's beat the drum. Do you like music? Do you like to sing and dance? How about playing an instrument?
Do you like music? Do you like to sing and dance?
Let's
How
learn
many
about
playing
some
on
fun
instrument?
instruments. What are the names
There are
of
many
these
musical instruments. Let's
That's
learn
right.
about some
They are the drum,
fun
triangle,
instruments.
and
What are the
xylophone.
names of these instruments?
We call
That's
them
right, they are
percussion
the drum,
instruments.
triangle, and xylophone.
Percussion
We call them
instruments are
percussion
fun to
instruments.
play.
Percussion
You hit
instruments
them
are
with your
fun to
hands
play.
or
You
a
hit
stick.
them with your hands or stick. Can you name other percussion instrument?
Did you think
of the
the
tambourine,
cymbals,
the cymbals,
castanets?
the castanets?
That's right.
That's
They
right.
are all in the
They are
percussion
they are
family.
They are all in the percussion
The
family.
drum has a drumstick.
Let's play drum.
The drum with
The
stick.
drum has a drumstick. You beat the drum with a stick. The xylophone has a stick too. You tap the xylophone with a stick.
You shake the tambourine.
You shake the
with your
tambourine
hands.
with your hands.
You
You bang the
with your
cymbals
hands.
with your hands.
And you click the
castanets
castanets
with your fingers.
Let's beat the drum. Do you like music?
Do you like
Do you
music?
like to sing and dance?
Do you like to sing and dance?
How about playing an instrument?
How about playing an instrument?
There are many musical instruments.
There are many musical instruments.
Let's learn about some fun instruments.
Let's learn about some fun
What are the
instruments.
names of these instruments?
What are the names of these instruments?
That's right. They are the drum,
That's
triangle,
right.
and xylophone.
They are the drum, triangle, and
We
xylophone.
call them percussion instruments.
We call them percussion
Percussion instruments are fun to play.
percussion instruments. Percussion
You hit
instruments
them
are
with
fun
your
to play.
hands or a stick.
You hit
Can you name
them
another
with your
percussion
hands
instrument?
or a stick. Can you name another
Did you think of the tambourine?
percussion instrument?
The
Did you
cymbals?
think
the
of the
castanets?
tambourine, the cymbals, the castanet?
That's right.
That's right. They
They're
are
all
in the
family.
percussion family.
Let's play them.
Let's play then.
The drum has a
The drum
drumstick.
has a drumstick.
You beat the drum with the stick.
You beat the drum with a stick.
The xylophone
The
has
xylophone
a stick
has
too.
a stick too.
You tap the xylophone with the
You
stick.
tap the xylophone with a stick.
You shake the tambourine with your hands.
You shake the tambourine with your
Bang
hands.
the cymbals
You
with
bang
your
the
hands.
cymbals with your hands.
And
And you click the
castanets
castanet with your fingers.
American School Textbook Reading Key, K1.
Chapter 1 Social Studies History and Geography. Unit 1 Seasons and Weather.
Reading focus.
What are the 4 seasons? What are some kinds
What are
of
the
weather?
4 seasons? What are some kinds of weather? How does weather change?
Before you read. Keywords.
Weather.
Sunny.
Weather, sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy.
Seasons.
Seasons, spring,
Summer.
summer,
Fall.
fall,
Autumn.
autumn,
Winter.
winter.
Power verbs.
Rain.
It is raining.
Rain, it is raining. Snow, it is snowing.
Bloom.
Bloom,
Flowers.
flowers bloom.
Change.
Change,
Leaves change
leaves
colors.
change colors.
Word families.
Hot.
hot,
hotter,
hotter,
hottest,
hottest,